Today we're talking about one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world, the Range Rover. A vehicle that has built its reputation on combining true off-road capability with first-class luxury. Whether you see it cruising through a city like a VP Transport or climbing rocky trails in the countryside, it always carries a strong presence. First, let's talk about design. The Range Rover has a very clean, minimalist exterior. The flush door handles, sleek LED headlights, and smooth body lines give it a modern and sophisticated look. The floating roof design and the strong shoulder line are signature elements that make it instantly recognizable. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it quietly. The large grille and bold stance give it authority, while the refined detailing shows it's built for luxury, not just toughness. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than an SUV. The materials are premium across the board: soft leather, real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and in some variants even sustainable interior options. The seats are wide, supportive, and many models offer heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, both in the front and rear. Rear passengers in long wheelbase versions get executive class legroom, sometimes even reclining seats and rear entertainment screens. The cabin is extremely quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation and active noise cancellation, making long drives feel peaceful and relaxing. Technology is another strong point. The infotainment system, known as Pivi Pro, features a large curved touchscreen with crisp graphics and smooth responsiveness. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show navigation, off-road data, or traditional speedometer views. Higher trims offer a premium Meridian sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Now let's talk performance. The Range Rover offers multiple engine options depending on the market. These typically include turbocharged inline-6 engines, V8 engines, and even plug-in hybrid variants. The V8 models deliver strong acceleration for such a large SUV, going from 0 to 100 km in around 4.5 to 5 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. The mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions focus more on efficiency while still providing smooth and powerful performance. The power delivery is refined. It doesn't feel aggressive, but it feels strong and confident. One of the biggest selling points of the Range Rover is its off-road capability. This is where it separates itself from many luxury SUVs. It comes with advanced four-wheel drive systems and terrain response technology, which automatically adjusts the vehicle's settings based on the surface, whether it's mud, sand, snow, or rocks. It also features adjustable air suspension, allowing the vehicle to raise or lower its height depending on driving conditions. The ground clearance can increase significantly for off-road driving, and the water wading capability is among the best in its class. Even though most owners may never take it off-road, it's reassuring to know that it truly can go almost anywhere. On-road comfort is equally impressive. The adaptive air suspension smooths out bumps and rough roads, making the ride feel almost like a luxury sedan. Steering is light at low speeds for easy parking and tight city driving, while it becomes more stable at higher speeds. Some versions include rear-wheel steering, which improves maneuverability in tight spaces and enhances stability on highways. Safety is another area where the Range Rover excels. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make daily driving safer and less stressful. Parking such a large SUV might seem intimidating, but the camera systems and parking sensors make it surprisingly manageable. In terms of practicality, it offers generous cargo space, especially in standard wheelbase versions. The split tailgate design is a classic Range Rover feature. The lower section can act as a seating bench for outdoor events or loading convenience. There's plenty of room for luggage, shopping, or even camping gear. The plug-in hybrid models may sacrifice a bit of cargo space due to the battery placement, but it's still practical for everyday use. Now, no car is perfect, and it's important to mention that luxury and advanced technology come at a high price. The Range Rover is expensive not only to buy but also to maintain. Repairs and servicing can be costly compared to mainstream SUVs. Some previous generations had concerns about long-term reliability. Although newer models have improved significantly in quality and engineering, what really makes the Range Rover unique is its balance. Many SUVs are either very luxurious but not truly capable off-road, or very capable but not luxurious enough for premium buyers. The Range Rover manages to combine both worlds. It can pull up to a 5-star hotel with elegance, and the next day drive confidently across rough terrain. In simple words, if you're looking for a vehicle that offers comfort like a luxury sedan, space like a family SUV, performance like a sports vehicle, and off-road strength like a rugged 4x4, the Range Rover delivers all of that in one package. It's not just a car, it's a statement of status, comfort, and capability. That's the Range Rover, powerful, refined, and built to go anywhere while keeping you wrapped in luxury.